you have cured your soap overnight, 8 hours or more, or longer. But when do you know your soap is ready? The best way that I know of that non-destructive and safe is what you use is you use a pH test. Okay, pH test. Okay, so what you do is you rub it, one of your soap, in distilled water. Okay, make sure you wear gloves because you're not sure yet. I wear gloves because the pH might still high. There's still a lot of saponification still there. So you want to safety first. Okay, so always safety first when you do soap. You're making soap. Okay, so just rub it in. So this one I just made yesterday. So nearly 24 hours. So it's that up already. So I just test it out. See the pH. Okay, so it looks like, hope you can see that, this one. Sorry, the lighting is a bit bad this early in the morning. Around 8 or 9. Okay, green. Okay, so it should be fine to use. Yeah, so that's how you test if your soap is ready to use, but it's not cooled properly yet. So you need to cool this at least 2 weeks to 8 weeks, depends on how much water you use in your recipe. Okay, I use very medium water. Okay, so I can use this soap in 2 weeks. I still use it now, but it's not as good. Okay, you still let it up and all that stuff, because now it's safe to use. But it's your soap gonna last a long time. Okay, that's why you do one right. You want your soap to last a long time. Okay, so that's how you do a pH test on your soap. Okay, now you know it's safe. Now you can touch it with your bare hand. Okay, you know it's safe now, so you can touch it with bare hand. Okay, safe. Okay, but before that, make sure you wear gloves. Okay, very important. Okay, test it out first. If the pH is low enough for you to touch, then you can take off your glove. Okay, but before that, take precaution. Okay, respect the craft and don't hurt yourself. Okay, working with lye is very safe if you know what you're doing. Okay, I'll probably do another video of how I go through the safety precaution when making lye. Okay, so it's hard up a bit really. Yeah, so I'll wait this to cool more, then show you guys more. Okay, takes off, don't need it anymore. Boom. Okay.